Hello, Rob Sensei here. So for this month's advanced workshop on June 26th, we are going to study the birth rate crisis. Now, according to the UN, the United Nations, we are experiencing a global birth rate crisis. But this report and other reports are not telling us the whole story about birth rates. So I want to just share a little information about this topic. But first, let's do the reading. So the topic is birth rate crisis. The United Nations has said the world is experiencing a birth rate crisis. The United Nations Population Fund, UNFPA, has released a report called State of World Population 2025. It highlights how fewer and fewer children are being born all over the world. At the same time, people are living longer. Falling birth rates and increased longevity are creating many problems. Smaller numbers of workers are having to pay the pensions of older people who have retired. Dr. Natalia Kanem, Executive Director of UNFPA, said, "Many countries are struggling with aging and shrinking populations, labour shortages, and rising healthcare and pension costs. These are real concerns." The United Nations surveyed over 14,000 people in 14 countries on 5 continents to make its report. One of the key findings was of the global fertility crisis. The UN said the high cost of parenthood is the biggest reason for women not having children. Many couples want children, but they cannot afford them. Nearly 20% of adults believe they will not be able to have the number of children they want. There were other reasons for falling birth rates. These include low salaries, expensive housing, and worries about the future of our world. The UN said one solution to the crisis is to create family-friendly policies such as affordable childcare and paid leave for all carers. Now, as usual, we can study vocabulary at home, but I want to focus on this part here, which is reasons, in your opinion, for the birth rate crisis. And specifically, I want to look at this other, because I'm not convinced that these reasons are the only reasons for birth rate decline, specifically if we talk about Japan. There are true or false questions here, synonym match, phrase match as usual, gap fill, listening, homework listening, which you will use this video for, comprehension questions, we've got some more vocabulary choice, spellings, and grammar exercises as usual. But as I said, I think this article is not giving us the full picture. The article is suggesting there is a global birth rate crisis and a decline in global birth rate, but that's not true. In Western and developed countries, that is true. We are experiencing a declining population and an aging population, which is a huge, huge problem for future generations. However, in some countries and some regions of the world, such as India, in Africa and the Middle East, the populations there are booming. They are absolutely booming. They are increasing every day, every month, every year. The populations are getting more and more. So what we're actually experiencing is a real disconnect and an unbalance around the world in terms of population. We're going to see huge numbers, billions of people centered around Africa, the Middle East, and India. Whereas in North America, South America, Europe, some parts of Asia, especially East Asia, Japan, South Korea, etc., we're going to see those numbers declining rapidly. So the population of the world is going to be very unevenly balanced. But there are many, many reasons for this. It's very, very complex. It's very, very complicated. So I want to do some teaching about this, and I want to share some other reasons that we are experiencing these issues.